Hello everyone, I am Rejon. In this video, I am going to talk about the benefits of raw corn for birds and how you can serve it to your birds. So beside of seeds, we always think about soft food that we can give to our birds regularly. Corn is one of such soft food that is excellent for our birds. It is superb for our sick birds and as well as breeding birds. So let's see the nutrition value of corn. If we talk about the nutrition value of corn, then each 100 grams of corn contains protein 9 gram, potassium 290 milligram, sodium 40 milligram, vitamin B 6 gram and vitamin C 8 gram. So you can understand how nutritious it is. If your bird eats it on regular basis, then it can give your bird extensive immunity and energy. As you know, protein is an essential part of birds' diet. During molting and breeding season, it helps them to repairing damaged tissues and in reproduction. You have to offer a full protein diet to your birds daily. Corn contains high carbs, but the carbs contain good fat that produce energy, not cholesterol. It is very rare to get such healthy carbs. Corn contains huge fiber that helps to clear the gut of birds. Fiber also helps birds to stay slim and reduce the bad fat from the body. Corn contains vitamin C. It helps to build a strong immunity. It is very effective vitamin for breeding season and throughout the years. Corn contains vitamin E. It is excellent for birds breeding. It is potent vitamin for breeding season. Continuous supplementation of vitamin E produces great result during breeding times. Corn is a natural source of omega-3 and fatty acid. Omega-3 and fatty acid is the best component for the herd. It directly improves the condition of the herd by providing energy to the herd muscle. As you know, a bird herd is very soft, so it plays an excellent role for the herd. Now let's serve some corn to my birds. Majority of birds and cage parrots love to nibble fresh corn and prefer it when it is half ripe, milky and still very soft. It is also a good source of antioxidant. Raw corn may well fit in a healthy daily diet for birds. It will increase the growth rate of birds' babies and give them a shiny feathers and good bone structure. It also helps to give them relief from stress. I will make a detailed video on different ways to serve corn in future. I think this video will help you all. That would be all for today.